Monday to Friday, Pastor Now you watch a lot some space on day 2. Yes. Day 3, between really later and what pause and answer. Day 2, January, suppose we made a decision 3 days ago. Omutomo yankwira nambalira nangagowedde ani akukyamudde ani ekirungi simanyi bakikizibwa okwogera tiimu yonna gyetukola naye sikyakiza mabega tusabe tusabe.
I think this is such a beautiful thing because here in Uganda, whereby when people say the show is sold out, you can still go at the entrance and get a ticket.
Badde mbagamba aliwo legend akutte sente zagamba enkya ngenda kujja ngula nga legend so bajja kukwatira emmotoka yeneziza atoke wali abagambe ndagiteko yange zange zirinawa ekisooka nagambya abategesi nti waliwo culture eri mu Uganda twegayirira abantu okujja abo abali ku after 5 ate bwe batuuka oli nabeematerako kati nze buli gyabayitanga ngegayira okujja obutegere ne bateeka omuntu akategeka someone shows up handle them well oba avudde kololo oba avudde nansana oba avudde kamoca whoever shows up these 2 days, even the 3rd day and 7th at the wash house in Nansana park, treat people well. Tubega Ebipya to come. Era oli ne bw'abazze naye waliwo nga tyaliwulidde treat him or her well. Mumunnyonnyole kati tomorrow oba there is another show 100K. Omanyi, I was talking to him like, okakasa ddala sold out okabadde. Ate omanyi waliwo abakikola.
There's so many others say sold out. Ebifaananyi bigenda okujja nga tuli mu
I know. So I had to call my worst moment this time has been to ask people, my personal friends. Nina n'omuzungu gwe nakubidde mu America yagula table n'ateekako abantu. I'm calling people abanga ab'omunju to move to Bedford because there is no space. That's very difficult. It's hard. I have a friend in Ontario. I had to drive there. Ategeerenti nakubidde n'abamu bakwano bange bagamba ddesaba engeri gyemugye ku Bedford kumbe yetebo y'akasuku ate namulabye awere kasuku nagamba omugagga wange aŋŋambye tokikola nemugamba kale yagula 2 tables babayita right now. Very humble guy but my people cannot nemugamba nsasira nemugamba mpayo 1 table on one Friday and then mpayo 1 table on Saturday nazimufuna simu yakasuku so praise God for the favor. I have seen the love. I've seen celebrities posting. I've never seen Silver Chagulan posting. I've not seen Shiba Spice Diana bought a table, the Nantumes, Navio. You guys have seen your love, David Lutaro. I've never seen Watoto Church post anything. I've seen the favor of the Lord. I've seen Nasanzo Mukadde Nangamba Kankusabireko. Serena za Serena Neka Kankusabireko. But then Eddie Kenz had given me tickets for border people what. So I have seen the opposition and the government all come together in one love about Jesus Christ. So I'm so thankful to everyone. I may not have mentioned your name, you know, but Chico Nimadrat, Alex Mohanji, the entire comedy store. I have seen, you know, the love, you know, Next Media family. Robert Kanja Jr. When he walked into church at the worship house as I was preaching. I don't know. I was like, God, Thank you.
Your love.
That is too much love.
Yeah, that's too
so
much
now,
love.
Pastor Wilson Bugembe, I've heard some people say that the first day I can have a lot of energy. By the time he comes to second day, I can have a chat with
ekisooka bo
Nayo Douglas akwate mic ayimbe.
tebamanyi ekisooka nze ng'omuntu simanyi bibowa simanyi kubowa no I try my best. Two, it is Fenon, it is all over Union Board. Bangambye Bugembe kwe tugenda olaba ku Friday era Bugembe ku Saturday Montego yoku Saturday. Union Board. Thank you so much. Waliwo omukyalo tajjeno na race. Yeyanzizizemu. Yankubidde nafuna nali ngatta abagole. I was wedding a couple at the watch house. So I found the phone is called. Then I called back. Hello, mom. Like, mwana wange nakulabye. I was preaching in Church Fellowship. Nine unyanti yadabira bano people. Nogamba show yajjudde. Nemugaye nina ngaddewo date. Katoolo someone had just watered me down.
Tekisoboka.
Your mistake.
Yes.
Sente zonna ogenda kuzizaawa. Ate basatu provider. Yabogerako mpola. Ambogereko mpola saala kunyiza abantu.
Sala alimanyi mu okola in the same place mu bibe kende. Anyiga kakisa diamonds tu.
No, the trouble never allow us. So, day two, generally I went to our office. I'll buy 5 tables. What? To help you with that. Ningenda yoku mwebaza nageze tansuri. Omanyi gwe pastor wange. Nangamba
Muchachi yajjayo washibe.
Naye yampeereza mu COVID generation yampeereza 5 million. Nangamba bado wanotoa ne ngamba nkweleza sente kati bisiri. Na pastor Bujinga aliwa kunene. Nenda kuzirya. Ajja kukwera bangetiza pastor. Zilipati ngaba tebatwawula Bugembe Bugembe. Let me wait to use this money to use this money. That's the money we use to start to go to the start the very first month I paid. When we sakalisa helps us for COVID ngatusasula in installments. Kakati nangamba uso nengeri gyose wani I'll buy 10 tables. So that's she
Ese nazo ina ba member ba worship house na tebali nyanga.
Tebali bali online. Yes. Oli nomukyale yampa 3 tables. Ajisa yantwala ye. Nedana n'abatanza abalina ntu bebanga zaabo. Then UCC, Uganda Communication. They bought 2 tables, day 2, Saturday. Amazing. Era ali omukyala abadde atambuza amabaluwa. N'agamba Ayogedde ekigambo. Buli gye ntutte ebbaluwa y'esabaawa. Sirabanga omuntu agamba n'agamba naye Bugembe Katonda aleka etaakawe. It touched my heart. I saw a comment on social media. Someone said, I'm Kenyan. Who is this guy?
Naye olaba ebiriwo leero. Logika yakayita kobwali kujjukira.
Kyabulaba tugenda
kugenda yagambye kasito tayimba nnyimba era njagala abantu
abantu bagala kunyigira kasoko. Bagamba no. Sometimes in marketing, if I want to Pepsi is my sponsor. When I have Pepsi, they will take up a billboard. Like a normal bottle. I have to produce liter. So you'd be like, please. I think Asuku was advertising my concept in his character. Because it's my